Hey everyone, are you wondering what temperature is? Well, in this video, you'll find out. Temperature is just a tool to tell you how hot or cold something is. We can't see it, but we sure can feel it. The sun gives us heat and light. It shines down on Earth all the way from space. Without it, the world would be very cold and very dark, and there would be no one living on Earth. So how do you measure the temperature? You measure temperature with a thermometer. A thermometer is a tool that measures temperature in units called degrees. Degrees are noted by a little circle above them. Degrees are read just like numbers. You can measure temperature in many scales, but the most common ones are Celsius and Fahrenheit. Most people in America use Fahrenheit, while most of the other countries use Celsius. In fact, scientists use Celsius too. Some thermometers measure only Celsius. Some thermometers measure only Fahrenheit, but most measure both. So to put temperature in view, I'm going to list several stuff and tell you their temperature. Bread right out of the oven is around 88 Celsius, which is 190 Fahrenheit. Ice cream is around minus 12 Celsius, which is 10 Fahrenheit. An average house temperature is around 22 Celsius, which is 72 Fahrenheit. Fire is around 600 Celsius, which is 1112 Fahrenheit. A fall day is around 12 Celsius, which is 54 Fahrenheit. Side note, temperature can be abbreviated, shortened to temp. Now you might be wondering, how does a thermometer look like? A thermometer is a glass tube that has colored liquid inside of it. The colored liquid inside it expands, gets bigger, when it gets hot, and contracts, gets smaller, when it gets cold. To read a thermometer, just find the top of the colored liquid, then find the number closer to the top of the colored liquid, often called mercury, and that's the temperature. So why is temperature important? Well, when it's below 0 degrees Celsius, or below 32 degrees Fahrenheit, you can go sledding, ice skating, or even skiing. When it's 20 degrees Celsius or 70 degrees Fahrenheit, you can ride your bike, go to the park, or even garden. When there's a cold spell coming in the next few days, meteorologists tell us to help us be prepared. Meteorologists can also warn us about heat waves. Meteorologists tell us about heat waves and cold spells since it's dangerous to be outside when there's either one of them. In case you are wondering what is a cold spell or a heat wave, I'll explain. A cold spell is a stretch of abnormally cold temperatures, and a heat wave is a stretch of abnormally hot temperatures. So we're nearing the end of this video, and there's two more things I want to tell you. Number one is the hottest temperature ever recorded on Earth was 56.7 Celsius or 134.1 Fahrenheit. So hot. And the coldest temperature ever recorded on Earth was minus 89.2 Celsius or minus 128.56 Fahrenheit. Brrr. So last but not least, what did you learn in this video? You learned about temperature, a bit about the sun, cold spells, heat waves, hottest and coldest temperatures ever recorded, thermometers, Celsius, Fahrenheit, how hot things are, how cold things are, how to read the thermometer, and last but not least, degrees. Congratulations! You learned so much in this video. Make sure to review what you learned so that you don't forget it. See you in the next video, and bye!